Is V8 juice good for diabetics? Diabetes has changed our lives into a different, tougher kind of life. That is because we want to maintain a different lifestyle. We must switch our favorite foods for unpalatable ones. We are searching for the nutritional label before buying any food. For the rest of our lives, we will need to use new tools and medicines. In our childhood, we didn't worry about injuries. But now, we are really afraid of a little scratch. However, we can be happy if we can maintain our blood sugar level properly. So, rather than finding tasty meals and drinks, we must seek out foods and beverages that are low in carbohydrates and sugar. The hardest part of a diabetic's life is finding the right food that is full of nutritious elements and low in carbohydrates. Most people believe in eating natural foods like vegetables to maintain a diabetes-free life. V8 is a popular beverage that claims to be a 100% natural vegetable mix. When we look at the original V8 drink, it contains approximately 7 grams of carbs. That is good to hear. However, there are some flavored drinks that have some added carbohydrates to maintain customer satisfaction. So if you want to try a V8 drink, we strongly recommend that you choose the right one. In addition to those facts, V8 has a high amount of sodium. It is to enhance flavor and keep it fresh for a long time. So, as we know, high sodium is not good for diabetics. However, this famous drink provides a lot of healthy nutritional elements. It also keeps us hydrated throughout the day. Moreover, this drink will help us increase the capability of our immune system to protect us. As a processed food, V8 drink has a low count of fiber. That is a big problem for diabetics because you know that if you consume foods high in fiber, you will feel full quickly. It will also reduce the absorption of sugar into the blood. Fiber can reduce the risk of getting cancer. Therefore, we think that if you can make a vegetable mixed juice at home, that would be more convincing. Is V8 beneficial to diabetics? V8 drink is not as bad as the beverages that you can find on the market, but we have to consider the sodium and fiber content. We should choose our food carefully because we have a condition that requires us to think twice before eating. Understanding the facts discussed previously, you can now decide whether you can consume V8 or not. Taking anything in moderation is the best option if you are diabetic. Make your own foods and beverages because you have control over your life. You can't rely on a third party. Diabetes is not a fatal disease if you take care of yourself and have a good understanding of the condition. Yes, we can live as long as others if we change our lifestyle to match the new lifestyle. It is very simple if you can see reality. Be positive, believe me, you can do it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to discuss a lot of diabetes-related problems with you. Bye-bye. We'll see you in the next video.